Hello friends, welcome to the Java programming. In this video, I will show you how I can install Java JDK and set path for Java on our system. First of all, go to Google for Java JDK download. Write Google. Now write Java JDK and press enter. It is Java website Oracle. It is the Java website. Now click this. My system is 64-bit. I will install that. On 32-bit to install this. Before accept license agreement the Java. I downloaded this. Before accept the agreement. Now click this. Java JDK will be downloaded if we click on OK. But I have already downloaded Java JDK. Now go to your drive to download your Java JDK. My Java JDK is downloaded is in the download folder. Now click on and open or double click this. Now click this. Now next click. Now again click next. Your Java JDK will be installing on your system. Now click on the next. Installation will completed in a few minutes. Now click next step to access tutorial. If you want to access online tutorial, I don't need this. Close it. After the installation, check your Java language on your system. Go to cmd command prompt. Write cmd and press enter. Write Java C and press enter. Java is not, it means my Java C, my Java JDK is not complete to install my systems. How we can complete install it my systems? Go to which have installed your Java JDK. My Java JDK install C drive and program file and this folder Java. Now click this. Now click on the JDK 9.0.1 and again click the bin folder. Now click here and copy Ctrl C or copy this address and close this. Now go to your computer properties, click this. Now click on advanced system settings. Now click on environment variables. Now click on new button. Now write path variable name. Now Ctrl V or paste address of the JDK, Java JDK. Now OK this. Now again OK. Now OK this. Now close this. Now again go to cmd and write Java C and press enter. It means my Java JDK is fully installed my systems, my computer. My Java JDK is installed and I write any program in Java. How we can write any program in Java? First of all, we write a Java program. Write a program on Notepad++. How you can install this? Go to Google, press enter. Now write Notepad++ and search it. It is a Notepad++ website. Now click this. Now click the download. Now this is the download button. I don't download this. I already downloaded this. I cancel this. Go to your downloaded folder. I have already downloaded this. Double click to install this and perform next step. I have already installed this. Hi friends, how we write any short program in the Notepad++. We install Notepad++ for write programming for Java, compile and run program on the same day. Now open the Notepad++ and write any program class. First of all, click file and save as, and go to your drive. I have already created a folder Java name. This, if you not Java folder, you easily create a new folder and name Java. I have already created Java programming and write a for Java program. Close this. Now select your drive. My Java folder is C drive, and select Java and name for my program. My program name is gdc svg dot java, and save this. Now write gdc svg hello friends, class name gdc svg, class name and program name will be same, must be same. gdc svg, it is class name, and gdc svg, it is the Java program name. Now write public static void main string args arguments now write system.out print ln line welcome to online www.onlineustaz.com onlineustaz.com. This program will be print welcome to www.onlineustaz.com. Now click file and save this. Now go to command prompt, write cmd and press enter. Now write cd slash press enter. Now write dir and press enter. Now write cd java is my folder name Java, and press enter. Now write dir and press enter. Now write the Java C main compile my this application name is gdc svg dot java, and press enter. My gdc svg program will compile completely. Now run to this. Now write Java and write GDC SVG and Java GDC SVG and press enter. It is my output. Welcome to www.onlineostaz.com.